Good day once again, everyone, and you are welcome to Mathematics and Solution Center. Today we are going to be looking at a question that says integration of 8 exponential 2x into bracket exponential 2x minus 7 bracket closes raised to power of 3 with respect to x. But underneath, we have differentiate your answer to get what you integrated. So this will prove that what integration and differentiation, they are just like plus and addition. When you add, you get an answer. When you subtract what you added, you get the initial value. So integration and differentiation, they are just like what? Word and opposite. We want to use this expression, complex expression, to prove that. But I want to tell you that this is not even complex, because if you know where to handle it, where to take the expression from, you will know what to do, and you find out that it is not complex at all. I have integration of 8 exponential 2x, open a bracket, exponential 2x again, then minus 7, bracket closes, then raised to power of 3 with respect to x. This is what we have. We are going to make use of our u. Don't make use of integration by parts here, okay? Because I know that if I should differentiate this, I will have something that will likely what? Eliminate what we have outside. That is what we are going to do now. Okay, let's say let our u is equal to exponential 2x, then minus 7. Now let's differentiate u. Don't forget that u is also a function of another term, okay? But for clarity, because I know what my answer would be looking at this, but for further or for precise explanation, I will take it one step at a time. Therefore, I'm going to make w to be equal to what? 2x. Let's differentiate the w. So I have the w by the x is equal to 2. And my u is actually equal to what? Exponential w minus 7. Now let's differentiate u with respect to w. Therefore, we are going to have exponential w. Differentiation of 7 as a constant is 0. Now, but what I actually want is what? The u by the x. We are going to use what is called chain rule. Chain rule is equal to what? The u by the w times the w by the x. Under normal, this and this are supposed to cancel, but we are not going to cancel. Rather, we substitute the value of this and the value of this. Okay, from what we differentiated, the w by the x is actually 2, and then the u by the w is exponential w. Therefore, I have my du over the x is equal to exponential w times 2. Therefore, my du by the x is equal to 2 exponential. What is my w? Is actually 2x. This is what we have for du by the x. Okay, now let's make the x the subject of the formula. We are going to have du over 2 exponential 2x. Okay, this is what we have. Then we go back to what we want to integrate again. Integration of 8 exponential 2x, then open a bracket, exponential 2x minus 7 with respect to x, and we have raised to power 3 here. Okay, but we've made the whole of this expression to be equal to u. Now we are going to substitute the value of u in that place. Therefore, I have integration of 8 exponential 2x, then u raised to power of 3 with respect to the x. We've gotten an expression for the x, this, because we cannot integrate u with respect to x. Therefore, we have du over 2 exponential 2x. So exponential 2x, we cancel exponential 2x. 2 goes in 2, we have 1. 2 goes in 8, we have 4. Therefore, we are left with what? Integration of 4 u raised to power of 3 du. Okay, 4 is a constant. All we have to do, increase the power of the variable by 1 and divide by the new power. And we are going to have 4 u raised to power 4 over 4. Then plus c as our constant. That is what we have. But 4 we cancel 4. Therefore, we have what? U raised to power 4, then plus C. That is our answer. But what is our U? We've taken our U to be equal to what? Exponential 2x minus 7. Don't forget that. Therefore, we have an exponential 2x minus 7. Everything raised to power 4, then plus C. This is what we have as our answer. Now we are going to take the next step of differentiating what? This with respect to what? X, and see what we are going to get. So what this implies is that what? Y is equal to exponential 2x minus 7, everything raised to power 4. So plus C. But I'm not going to take C along in this expression, because even though we take C along, I know that differentiation of a constant is actually going to give me 0, because we are going to differentiate. So no need of taking C along. The first thing we are going to do here, let's make our U to be equal to, U is equal to exponential 2x minus 7. Y is actually equal to what? U raised to power of 4. This is what we are going to see our Y to be equal to. U raised to power of 4. Okay. Let's go back to U again. Or let's quickly find the Y by the U. Okay. The Y by the U is equal to what? This is 4U raised to power what? 3. When you differentiate, the power of the variable comes down and you subtract 1 from the power. That is the formula for differentiation. Okay, this is what we have. Now, what is our U? We have U to be equal to exponential 2x minus 7. Now we are going to differentiate U. But U is a function of another thing. W is equal to 2x. Now let's find the W by the x. The W by the x is equal to 2. And therefore, U is equal to what? Exponential W minus 7. Okay, the U by the W is equal to what? Exponential W. Okay, we've gotten all we need. We are going to apply chain rule here. Don't forget that Y is a function of what? U. And U itself is a function of what? W. YW is a function of what? Of X. Therefore, we have what is called what? Chain rule. The Y by the X is actually what we are looking for. It's going to be equal to what? The Y by the U times the U by the W, then times what? The W by the X. So you can see that it's as if this and this we cancel, this and this we cancel, and we are left with what? The Y by the X. But we are not going to cancel, rather we substitute their values. Okay, let's continue. Therefore, the Y by the X is equal to, what is my the Y by the U? Let's fetch the value of the Y by the U. The Y by the U is 4U raised to power of 3. Okay, let's go back and write 4U raised to power of 3. So I have 4U raised to power of 3 times the U by the W. The U by the W is exponential W. So I have exponential W times the W by the X. What is the W by the X? The W by the X is actually 2. Okay, that means everything times 2. From this, let's write our final answer. We have that 4 and 2 will multiply. Then we are going to have the Y by the X is equal to what? 8. Then what is U? What is my U? Let's check the value of U. U is equal to exponential x minus 7. So we have exponential 2x rather minus 7 into raised to power of 3, then times exponential W is what? 2x. We can go back to the video to check the value of W. W is actually equal to 2x. So that is that. We can rearrange this expression so that we have the Y by the x is equal to 8 exponential 2x into bracket exponential 2x minus 7, everything raised to the power of 3. This is our final answer. We are going to compare this with the expression we integrated 8 exponential 2x into exponential 2x minus 7, everything raised to the power of 3. We have 8 exponential 2x into exponential 2x minus 7 raised to the power of 3. Thank you for watching. We have come to the end of this tutorial, and I really want to beg your pardon. Please, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly click the subscription button now, like the video, share it so that other people will have advantage of it, and at the same time, don't forget to put on the notification button so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Thanks, and remain blessed.